Okay, so in this video, we're going to talk about equations of lines that have zero slope and undefined slope. First, we're just going to review the difference. Zero slopes go side to side. That would be a zero slope. And undefined slopes go up and down. Undefined. When we see a slope that has when we see a line that has a zero slope and we're asked to write an equation, all we need to do is state where the equation crosses the y-axis. So for this equation we have here, it crosses the y-axis at 5. So we just say that y is equal to 5. It's never going to cross the x-axis. There is no slope, so we don't write it with the form of mx. We just write y equals 5. Let's do another example before we move on to undefined. Whenever we see a horizontal line, we look at where it crosses the y-axis, and we write y equals that number. Let's do one more. Y equals the number it crosses on the y-axis. That's how it works for horizontal lines. For the vertical undefined lines, it's a little bit different because it's never going to cross the y-axis. So we can't say that y is equal to 6 for that one. We have to say that x is equal to 6. If we drew another undefined line, the equation for this one would be x equals -3. If I drew another one here, it would be x equals +1. So undefined lines have x equals, and zero slopes have y equals. I'm going to draw two in different colors, and I want you to kind of pause it and think about it. What is the equation for the red line? And what is the equation for the green line? Well, the equation for the red line, since it's a zero slope, we say that y is equal to the point that it crosses, which is 4. Since the green slope is undefined, we say that x is equal to the point it crosses, which is 3. Let's try one more. First, write the equation of the blue line, then write the equation of the green line. The blue line has zero slope, so we're going to state where it crosses on the y-axis. If you don't remember your axes, the straight up and down one is y, and the side to side is x, which is another reason why we call it y equals -3. That's the point it crosses. Then for the straight up and down line, we would have x equals -2 because we hit -2 on the x-axis. All right, that's all I'm going to show you for this, and then you can practice by doing the rest of the assignment.